Mrs. Helwig, and I'm here to explain to you what today's assignment is on Measurement Monday. So today we are going to be collecting 5 to 10 objects around your house, things that you can actually carry in your hand that aren't going to fall or break, things that your parents will let you use, so small items, and we're going to compare them. We're going to compare their lengths and their weight and also their size. So the first thing you need to do is collect 5 to 10 items that you can bring to your little table in front of your Chromebook. And then once you have your 5 to 10 items, you're going to draw them in these boxes right here. So there are 10 boxes. So if you find 5 items, then you only need to fill out 5 of them. If you find 6 items, then do the 5 and 1 more, and so on and so forth. Once you have them all drawn out, and just do the best that you can, then we're going to pick 2 of the objects. So you'll just pick up 2, and you're going to compare them. So for example, if I find a pencil and I have a book, I'm going to hold one in each hand, and I'm going to think and ask myself which one is heavier. So I'm going to hold the book and the pencil, and I'm going to just use my hands to figure out which one I think is heavier. So in my case, the book is heavier than my pencil. So I know that down at the bottom it says the blank is heavier than the, so I would tell myself or read the book is heavier than the pencil. And if I keep going, I could say the reverse. The pencil is lighter than the book. So then we'll ask ourselves, well, which one is bigger? Is the pencil bigger or is the book bigger? And that's talking about the size of the object. So in my case, if I compare the pencil with the book is bigger than the pencil. Or I could say the pencil is smaller than the book. The last question asks about its length, how long the object is. So I would hold it up with aligning the endpoints, the book and the pencil. And in my case, my book is taller or longer than my pencil. So then I would say the book is taller than the pencil, and continue on by saying the pencil is shorter than the book. So you're going to do that for your objects. You can, once you do 2, you can pick 2 different ones and do it again. It's good to get that vocabulary and going, and so the more you do it, the better it'll be. And then once you've done that, at the bottom, the last task is to then arrange your objects that you've collected in order from heaviest to lightest. So you're going to put the heaviest first and then go down the line until you end up with the lightest object. Then you're going to do it for size. I can arrange my objects from biggest to smallest, so you'll do the same thing, starting with the biggest object that you have, going down to the smallest object. And the last one, the last box says, I can arrange my objects from tallest to shortest. So then you will do it by length. So you'll put the tallest object on the one end to start with, and you'll just keep going until you get to the shortest object. Okay? That is your assignment for Monday. And if once you fill in your box and you do this and you've checked off your boxes, then you can hang on to it and bring it back to school when we see you again. All right, have fun. Bye.